Here's a pair of the SHOKZ OpenSwim Pro headphones. I'm going to show you how to put it into pairing mode, how to connect to a device, and then how to factory reset these. So first thing is we're going to connect to my iPhone here, okay? So what we want to do first is put these into pairing mode. So you see the side that has the minus and the plus button here? What I want to do is first turn these off, okay? I want to make sure the headphones are off. I'm going to press and hold that plus button for a few seconds. There's that red light, and now it just turned off. Now what I'm going to do is I want to put these into pairing mode so I can connect to my iPhone. So with the headphones off this time, next I'm going to go ahead and press and hold that plus sign, and I'm going to keep holding until it starts blinking blue, red, which indicates that is in pairing mode, okay? So plus button here, ready, go. Press and hold, keep holding, wait, up, blue, red. Now it's in pairing mode. Now we can go ahead and connect to my phone here, or you can connect to a computer or TV or another device. So iPhone here, I'm going to go to settings, and then we're going to go to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is toggled on here, and then in that little spinny thing you see there is searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me. So it should pop up on here. It's still in the pairing mode. I think it's taking a little bit too long. Let me just turn off Bluetooth, and I'm going to turn it back on just to rescan it. Let's see if it finds it. It's still in the pairing mode here. There you go. OpenSwim Pro. So let's tap on that there. And now we're connected, ready to go. Okay, so I'm currently connected to this phone. Now let's go ahead and perform a factory reset. You want to do a factory reset if you have issues pairing or connecting, or maybe it's out of sync, or maybe one side's not working, and so on. Anyway, with a factory reset, it's very simple. So again, we're going to factory reset these. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to have to turn these off, okay? So let's turn these off, the headphones first. So that plus button here, let me press and hold. And let me just turn these off, let's wait. Okay, red light there now. Okay, now the headphones are off. Now the next thing I'm going to do is while the headphones are off, I'm going to press and hold this plus button here. And I'm going to hold it and wait till it blinks blue, red again, okay? So plus button here, ready, go. Press and hold, just wait. Wait till it goes blue, red. There. Now, the next thing we want to do is we want to press and hold both buttons, the plus and the minus button, as well as the multifunction button here on the other side, okay? All the same time, okay? So we'll do it together. I'm going to hold both of these buttons here, and we're going to hold this button here, okay? Ready, set, go. Press and hold all three buttons. Now just keep holding. And just wait. If you have in your ear, you'll hear that chime, or I just felt it vibrate here, and you get that one blue light, and then it goes back to blinking blue, red. So the factory reset is complete now, and then it goes back into pairing mode, is blinking blue, red. Okay. So now the thing is, remember we were currently connected before we did a factory reset. We were connected to this iPhone. So if I wanted to connect back to the iPhone, I have to delete it off my pairing list in the Bluetooth. Okay. So I have to go to settings. And I have to go to Bluetooth again. And remember, before we were connected right here. Okay, if I tap on that, I'm not going to be able to do it. Okay, so I got to go ahead and just remove this. So I'll click on that I for information, and I'm going to forget this device. If you're on an Android phone, it'd be like unpair. On a TV, it may be remove or delete. Okay, now I just removed it. And now, like I said, if I want to connect back here, it's still in the pairing mode. It's blinking blue, red. So now it should show up back here. But let me just turn off Bluetooth and turn it back on, rescan, and then we'll connect back to this same phone. Yep, there you go right there. OpenSwim, tap on that. And voila, we're connected back to the same iPhone. Pretty simple. Questions or issues, comment below.